If you want to run a successful Shopify dropshipping business, you don't just need a store. You need the right tool that help you find products, automate order, manage supplier and increase your sales. But there are so many dropshipping tools that it can feel confusing, especially for beginners. Today, I will share the best dropshipping tool for Shopify in a simple way so you can choose the tool that fit your business and save time and effort. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you find the best tools to grow your online sales without stress. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links in the description to check out the special offers for these tools. By using the description links, any discounts or free trial, they will be applied automatically. So you get the more value without extra steps. Let's begin with one of the most essential tool, DSearch. DSearch is widely used by Shopify dropshippers because it connects your store with AliExpress, one of the biggest suppliers networks in the world. With DSearch, you can import product with one click, place orders in bulk, and keep your inventory and prices updated automatically. This means you don't have to manually manage every single order, saving a lot of time as your store grows. Next up is Pocket. If you want faster delivery and higher quality products, Pocket lets you connect with suppliers based in US or Europe. Faster shipping can make a big difference for your customers because they usually want their order quicker. Pocket also automatically sync products, inventory, and order details with your Shopify store, so you don't have to manually update stock. Another recommended tool is AutoDS. AutoDS is more than just a product importer. It's a full automation system. With AutoDS, you can automate the pricing, inventory monitoring, order fulfillment, and tracking updates. It even helps you to find trending products with AI tools, so you can build a product catalog faster and with less guesswork. This makes AutoDS a great choice if you plan to scale your store without spending all day on manual tasks. For sellers who want customer packaging option and fast shipping, Zendrop is another popular choice. Zendrop connects you with vetted suppliers and lets you automate order fulfillment. They also offer branded packaging and US warehouse options, which helps build trust with your customers and can improve repeat sales. If you are interested in offering print-on-demand products, tools like Printful and Printify might be perfect for you. These apps integrate with Shopify and let you sell custom designed products like t-shirt, mugs, and accessories. They handle printing, packing, and shipping, and you only pay when an order comes in, so there is no inventory risk. There are also newer dropshipping tools like Jopi that combine AI feature with product discovery and order automation. Jopi lets you import products from multiple sources and sync orders automatically, and it even helps you to optimize product title and descriptions using AI, which saves time and improves your listing. While product sourcing and automation apps are essential, you also need tools to grow your store and keep customers coming back. For that, marketing tools like Klaviyo are highly helpful. Klaviyo helps you send automated emails and SMS messages like abandoned cart reminders, welcome sequences, or special offers, which can increase your sales without extra ads. Another important category is supplier directories and research tools like Sellho and Modalist. Sellho lets you find pre-vetted suppliers and trending product ideas, which is useful if you are still exploring product options. Modalist gives you access to name brand product and eco-friendly suppliers, which help you to build a premium store and offer unique items to your customers. When choosing your tools, think about what is your business need most: fast shipping, automation, product discovery, print on demand, or marketing growth. You don't need all the tools at once, but picking a few that will make running your Shopify dropshipping store much easier and more profitable. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this video helped you to understand better about the best dropshipping tools for Shopify and how each one can help you to grow your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more tutorial and tips on online business tools. And don't forget to use the links in the description to get these special offers. Any discounts will be applied automatically when you use them. I will see you in the next video where we share more ways to make your online business easier and more successful.